today we're going to walk you through how to switch accounts on Facebook in 2024. Whether you have multiple accounts or just need to manage different profiles, we've got you covered, so let's jump right in. Alright, switching Facebook accounts is pretty straightforward, but the steps can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the mobile app or a web browser. So, to switch account on your mobile phone, simply open Facebook application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you're currently using. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Now this will open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Logout. This will sign you out of the current account. Now after logging out, you'll be taken to the login screen. Here you can enter the credential for the other Facebook account you want to switch into. Just type in your mail or phone number and password for the other account and tap login. But if you want to switch between accounts frequently, you can choose to save your login details on the login screen. You might see an option to remember your account details, which can make future logins quicker. And that's how you switch accounts on the Facebook mobile app. Pretty simple. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Got any questions or tips of your own? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.